Hello folks, I am Julia at livewealthyretirement.com. We continue working on a new blog that we've created completely for free. If you were not with me from the beginning, please check out my article referenced under this video and my previous videos titled Create a Website in WordPress, How to Create a Blog for Free. Today we are going to perform one of the tasks in getting our new website ready for search engine optimization, SEO. I'll show you how to install and activate the WordPress plugin all-in-one SEO pack. With its help, we'll set meta title and meta description for your new website. But before we begin, I have a small request for you. If you find this short tutorial useful, please like this video, share it with your friends and on social networks, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is a process of applying certain techniques for increasing your website's visibility in the search engines. The higher your site is ranked by Google, the more of the organic or free traffic you'll get to your site. If you are planning to earn money via your blog, more traffic leads to more conversions, and more conversions lead to more revenue. Google's ranking algorithm is very complicated, and it's changing all the time to assure that the relevant content is shown to the interested people. Thus, the top ranking on Google for certain keywords results not only in a high quantity of visitors, but also in a high quality of your traffic. You will apply SEO to each piece of content that you are creating. However, before you start with the content, you need to let Google know what your entire site is about, or in other words, what your niche is. As I said earlier, today we'll be working with the all-in-one SEO plugin. But what is a WordPress plugin? A plugin is a relatively small application that can be added to your WordPress environment to complement your website in one way or the other. It is coded to perform a certain task or a set of relevant tasks. WordPress is an open source project, which means that the software developers all over the world are able to contribute to it. And they do. Therefore, WordPress offers thousands of design themes and lots of plugins. For any function you wish your website could implement, there is probably a plugin that does exactly what you are looking for. Be careful though. Among many well-coded and valuable plugins, you'd find some that don't work very well or may even cause some security holes. I advise before installing any plugin, check its star rating and how many users are actively using it. 4 or 5-star plugins used by thousands of people are safe to install. I have another warning for you. Don't get too hooked on the plugins. As I said earlier, there are plugins for almost anything you can think of, but don't install too many plugins on one website. They may, and lots of them together definitely will, slow down the loading speed of your blog. The site's load speed is an important factor in your search engine optimization. You want your website to load fast on any device, including mobile. Okay, let's get to work. Log into your WordPress dashboard. I will continue working with the Build a Blog demo website, which I've created before your eyes in the previous tutorial. It is still under my recent website, so I click Login and log in again to get to my WordPress dashboard. Here I am. In the main menu on the left-hand side, find Plugins item. There are several plugins that you could utilize for optimizing your site and pages for search engines. 2 of the most popular are Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack. I am using All-in-One SEO on all my sites. It is easy to use, and I know this plugin well already, so I can share my knowledge with you without creating any confusion. If your site was created and hosted at Wealthy Affiliate, All-in-One SEO plugin is pre-installed for you. Let's check installed plugin in a submenu here. We have 3 pre-installed plugins, and in my case, on the top line, I have All-in-One SEO pack. All you need to do is activate it and make a few customizations to its configuration. If your site was created elsewhere, you need to install this plugin first and then activate it. To install a plugin, go back to main menu and find, under plugins, find Add New submenu. Click on it. On the next screen, type All-in-One SEO keyword in the search field at the top. All-in-One SEO. And here it is. You see Activate button here because I have this plugin installed already. In your case, you'll see Install Now button. But let's explore this summary first. All-in-One SEO plugin is designed by Michael Torbert to help you boost SEO for your website. It doesn't free you up from doing your manual part of SEO, but it performs all the dirty work behind the scenes. It has over 2 million active installations, and actually it has over 50 million. It has been used downloaded over 50 million times since 2007. So this plugin is pretty safe to install. It also has 4.5-star rating. So you can go ahead and click Install Now. And then this button caption will turn into Activate for you. And you can activate it right from this screen. Or you can accomplish the same task by returning to the installed plugins screen and activating All-in-One SEO from here. Let's click Activate now. Once your All-in-One SEO plugin is activated, its name also appears in the main menu on your, here it is, on your WordPress dashboard. So this is another way of accessing it. You don't need to upgrade to Pro. The free version does everything we will need for our blogs. You can explore documentation, visit support forum. However, if you are a member of Wealthy Affiliate, then you will never need support elsewhere than in Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate has awesome support team that is open 24/7, 365. So at any time of the day, on any day, you can always, if you have troubles, you can submit your request, and these guys are awesome. They will help you usually within 5 minutes. What we are interested in is SEO settings. You can click here, or you can go back here and click either on the title or general settings over here. All-in-One SEO can perform many functions. Look how many options we have here in the general settings area. But at this time, we'll only use it for setting up the meta title and meta description for your website. We'll explore some other features in the future training. Meta tags do not appear on your website. They are called meta because they are placed in the code and are being used by the bots. All-in-One SEO will put them in the code for you. Search engine bots read these meta tags and display the content on their result page in response to users' requests. scroll to find the home page settings. It's somewhere at the top. Here it is, home page settings. That's where we are going to type in the title and the description for the corresponding meta tags. But let me first show you what it looks like on my Live Wealthy Retirement blog. I've done a quoted search in Google for Live Wealthy Retirement. And here is my result page. The very top one is my Live Wealthy Retirement YouTube channel. And the second one is my Live Wealthy Retirement blog. So in the blog, I set meta title and meta description properly within its recommended length. So my keyword, my key phrase and title of the website is shorter than 57 characters. So I had space to add something else, and I added the tagline. Description. In the description, I would want to, and you would want to use your main keyword or key phrase again, but it must flow smoothly in a sentence. It has to fit naturally. So if you look at my description, I was a little bit creative here. While I still have my 3 words, Live Wealthy Retirement, one after another, I broke them down to 2 sentences. So my description is plan smartly to live wealthy. Retirement must be fun, not struggle. Create multiple sources of passive and residual income now and live happily ever after. So, but I didn't structure the title and description that carefully in my YouTube channel. So my description of the YouTube channel is longer than 160 characters. So see how it has been truncated here, which is okay for me. So let's go back and enter our meta title. So it has to include my main key phrase, which is also my title and my domain name. So build a blog demo. Now this only took 17 characters, so I have space to add something else to it. Let's say create a free WordPress website. So now we are at 51 characters. I can say fast. 57 characters. Perfect. And it includes keyword, and it has something to make my meta title more interesting. So now let's come up with a meta description, and it has to be under 160 or 160 characters. I've created a meta description in advance so that you don't watch me typing here. So let me just paste it. And here it is. The purpose of the Build a Blog demo website is to demonstrate how to create a blog for free, get it ready for SEO, and proceed with its design and development. I am at 159 characters. Perfect. So now I have to save my changes. Don't forget, because if you just click out of here, you'll lose them. So I have to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click here, Update Options. Our meta title and meta description have been set. However, if I go now to Google and Google my Build a Blog demo like I did with Live Wealthy Retirement, I will probably not have any results because this site is very new and it wasn't discovered by Google yet. It wasn't indexed. So let's do this experiment. I actually done it before. So I've done a search for Build a Blog demo, and there is no my site website to be found anywhere. Google will eventually discover and index your website on its own, but it may take several days or even weeks. There is a way to speed up this process. Okay, let's summarize. In this tutorial, I introduced the WordPress plugin all-in-one SEO pack to you. We installed and activated this plugin. We used it to set up meta title and meta description for your new website. These are all one-time tasks. You won't need to do them again until you decide to create your next website. In the following tutorials, we'll be adding your website to the analytical tools provided by Google for free. They are Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These tools offer many benefits for your website SEO. Actually, one of them is speeding up your website's indexing process. Also, if you ever come across any offers to buy web analytical tools, I want you to know that the best analytical tools are those offered by Google, and they are free. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, please like this video on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.